quick video just on taking apart these Nissan, well, this is from a Nissan Pulsar VZ-R, maybe the same on other Nissans or manufacturers. So you just pop these little plugs out of the back here. I just used a blade on a knife blade, and just slowly, they were a bit tough, but just slowly wedge it out like that, and then it'll come. So you pull those out, and this is the side I've already done. In there is a little C clip ring, and it was facing, and in here there's a little checkout. So in this case, these rings were facing this way. So all you need to do is you find something. I found a screwdriver works quite well to push this down. So you can apply a bit of force, and that will actually move down, and that will take the pressure off the ring. And so while you're pushing that down, you just need to spin the ring around in the housing. Just spin it around like that with a pick until you have it like this, where the ring is sitting in that little checkout. And then all you need to do is press down on this again and pop at the same time that you're pressing it down, get your pick in behind that ring and pull it like this. And then I found if you pull it and push down and then release it at the same time, I'll see if I can show you how I do it. It's a little bit awkward, but I have to kind of hold it with my boots, and so pushing down and flicking that at the same time, and I'm just going to press it up and down a few times to kind of wiggle it. Sorry, blocking the camera. It's not that easy, but it's not that hard either. So you can kind of see I've got it to there. That probably didn't show you anything on the camera, but so then yeah, you just pull, keep wedging it out as you sort of push it up and down, and it'll just creep its way out. And then you can see the assembly of it here. I think it goes in like that. Sweet. Bye.